Good morning to all. Individually, we are one drop, but together, we are an ocean. Though we are apart, as a team, we are always together. This is an idea which keeps us united together. Now, let's call Muthulakshmi A from IT department to give a welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. It's my privilege to welcome you all to this launching event of the newsletter 2K20. I would like to tell everyone that every year our Science and Humanities Department celebrates Ceremony of Magazine. This would be a great platform for the students to showcase their talents. Now, I heartily welcome the Head of Science and Humanities Department, Dr. M.A. Neelakandan, who is the backbone and setting high expectations for our students and educators and shape the condition for students to learn and succeed. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our beloved and respected faculty members who always giving their tireless efforts and have fostered a sense of support and appreciation that makes us to improve our practice daily. We are forever grateful for all you do. Welcome you all. Next, I would like to welcome our editorial board members who contributed their support and dedication towards this magazine. Welcome you all. For every success, the major role is taken by contribution and it is given by our students. We welcome our fellow students for their active contribution. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Muthulakshmi. Now I call Dr. M.A. Neelakandan Sir, Head of Department of Science and Humanities to address the event.
Thank you, Subishta.
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
I am very happy to be with you on this pleasant. Good evening. I am very happy to be with you all in this pleasant evening. Today you are all first years. Tomorrow you will be second years. The seniors. So I wish you all. I think this is a happy occasion for you from first year to second year. Then I'm actually for the past 1 year I have been working with you in many occasions. Even in this pandemic situation also, I contacted you through Google Classroom. Immediately, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I contacted you through Google Classroom and informed many. All of you immediately responded, and I'm very happy to say many of you got certificates from many institutions. Many of you developed a particular skill that actually I specified in a message to you. Many got specific skills. Many won competitions. I am very happy. I am very happy, and also I want to congratulate all of you on this occasion. Also, this newsletter, I have gone through the newsletters and two newsletters. It is they contain more than 100 pages. I know how much effort you have put for releasing this newsletter, because some 20 years back I was a coordinator for a college, our college Rotaract Club, and at that time we used to publish a newsletter for every month by name the Youth. The Youth is the name of the name of that newsletter. Every month we published the newsletter. The time we have spent in actually it was a hard copy. Every month we publish the hard copy of the newsletter, the Youth. So how much of the material and everything, then the contributors, regular contributors for that magazine, newsletter, So I know the difficulties you faced for developing these newsletters. Tremendous work, excellent work. I congratulate all the contributors, faculty advisors, then editor, particularly the editorial board. And some of the students, like the Shivalingam, many videos he developed. Then the Vinod, many posters he developed. Actually, I'm seeing all these things daily. From the scrap to the high technological level they developed. Many students, many students. If I say the name, it goes on. So the work you carried out in this period for developing this, for preparing this newsletter, I really want to congratulate all of you. And I want to say only one thing. Fix your goal. Fix your goal. Work for that. Achieve the goal. Enjoy the life. Be happy all the time. Try to make all the people happy. Take responsibility and be a responsible citizen of India. Thank you all. Thank you very much. So with these few words, I am happy to release the newsletter. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that impressive speech. Now here I am, Subiksha Adinarayanan, to give some words about the newsletter. Good morning all. In the academic year of 2019 and 2020, the Department of Science and Humanities is glad to present and publish the newsletter of the year 2019-2020, which is divided into two amazing parts. Students and faculties are an integral part of the college's overall network. By publishing the newsletter, one becomes aware of the creativeness and talent of one individual. We all are aware of current outbreak of the epidemic situation COVID-19. With the difficulties aside, and with the hard work from students, with the support from faculty members and help from technology, we have received a tremendous number of works and creativities from students as mentioned below. Poems 18, essays 11, short stories 13, pencil drawings 54, paintings 17, Photoshop art 25, puzzles, riddles, crosswords 11, cartoon corner 4, science facts 17, haiku 14, quotes 17, recent technologies 4, life events of the inspired personality 4, footnotes 6, total submission was 225. We are so proud and pleased to present all the creativities, essays written from inspiration and composition articles submitted by students from all the departments and also the events which are conducted in the academic year of 2019-2020. Thank you. Now it's time for us to watch the video regarding the newsletter. That was the next level video submitted by Sivalingam from IT department. Now I'm very pleased to inform you that it is time for us to go through the sensational newsletter.
Good evening, all. I welcome you all for this grand occasion of newsletter release. Here we are going to see the newsletter. So here comes the first most attractive cover page of our magazine, actually. And then we have the message from our Honorable Director, Dr. S. Shanmugavel sir, Honorable Principal, Dr. K. Kalidas Murugavel sir, and then the Honorable Head of the Department of Science and Humanities Department, Dr. M.A. Neelagandan sir. We really thank you all for their wishes and their blessings. A small amount of data have to be given here actually. A small amount of data have to be given here because for this past 1 month, we have been collecting the work of art from the students actually. In 14 different genre, we have been collecting all the work of arts of the students. So poems are 18 in number, short stories are 13 in number, essays are 11, and 54 different pencil drawings. Actually, we are able to collect 225 work of art in 14 different genre. In the first part of this newsletter, we have poems on different topics actually. On different topic, example, life, nature, friendship. So in the friendship itself, we have got two different poems. One particular poem is worth mentioning here actually. It is on motherhood actually. The name of the poem is When I Become a Mother. That is the title of the poem. It is on motherhood and on the role of women in the society, and it has been penned in such an extraordinary way. The language that has been used was really nice. So likewise, in all the poems, students have used really a great language, extraordinary language actually. Then we have essays in which students express their technical knowledge. Students have expressed their technical knowledge that they have got in the subjects. We have essays on various topics like artificial intelligence and on other innovative technologies. One important essay to be mentioned here is that the name of the essay is Hidden Jungle. The details in which we have all the archaeological details about the temple Angkor Wat, built by a Tamil king before some 800 years in Cambodia, in which the essayist has given all the details about that particular temple. So how it has been built and who it has discovered, how it got discovered. Likewise, the language that has been used in that particular essay was refined and matured. Way of expression is the same kind of experience you have when you go through all the essays, because quality wise it has been the best. So we also have essays on interesting essays on the interesting and inspiring personalities like Google CEO Sundar Pichai. Likewise, we have got many number of essays here. And then we have the achievements that has been done by students in Skill Rack actually. So in Skill Rack, the students have got more than 1,000 medals, 800 medals, 900 medals. Likewise, a report has been presented here, Skill Rack report it is. And we have various reports on the webinar being conducted in this lockdown period. So webinar has been conducted on various topics, and we are really very proud to tell you all that we have conducted more than 30 webinars in this lockdown period itself. So it has really been a milestone for all of us actually. Then we have Photoshop and pencil drawings, which has really been presented in an effective way because it's going to be a visual feast for all of us. So, in almost 20 pages, we have got more than 40 drawings. So, each and every drawing has got its own uniqueness and individuality. So, we really appreciate the artists who have contributed for that. So, the contribution of this pencil drawing and Photoshop art is enormous. It has to be appreciated. Then we have the science facts, actually. Then we have the science facts, puzzles, riddles. Likewise, we have got a collection of various things has been presented, right? Certainly, this part of newsletter will be helpful for us to enrich our knowledge, actually, because this part of newsletter has highly been informative. So, each and every reader can enhance their knowledge by going through this part of newsletter, actually. Then we have quotes of leading personalities and inspiring legendary personalities, right? So different quotes have been taken by students, actually. So these quotes, these specifically chosen quotes, are highly inspiring, and it will be constantly make our it will make our life positive. Then we have the most interesting part of our newsletter, actually. It is the short stories. In the short stories, for each page, we have got one short story. Certainly, this will give you all the pleasant experience of reading. So all the short stories are worth reading, actually. So then we have this Tamil haiku poetry, which will also be soul stirring for all of us. Tamil haiku poetries and Tamil poetries are there, which is highly impressive in its nature. The way it got presented is also nice, actually. Then we have the list of toppers of this academic year, 2019 to 2020. So academic toppers, the names of the academic toppers with their photographs are there in this magazine, actually. Then we have various photographs taken in the various program, interaction sessions, workshops conducted in the last semester, actually. So certainly this part of newsletter will store the first year memories of these students. Certainly it is worth recollecting in the future. They will recollect all their memories by going through these newsletter, because it has got various elements that is needed for their upcoming future. And then we have the list of students attended the workshop seminar in the first year itself. The first year itself, they have attended many number of seminars, many number of workshop in various colleges, actually. So the report has been presented based on the workshop attended by the students, workshop and seminars attended by the students, actually. And finally, we have got the name list of this editorial board. Name list, the people for each section, we got one editorial board member. Only through them we have collected all these things. So all these works are being carried out by these editorial board members. Really, we are highly thankful for these editorial board from the bottom of our heart. We are thanking them because it is only through them it has been made possible. They have made this magazine possible by their tireless effort. We really thank them all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity of presenting this newsletter. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nandakumar sir. It was a very good experience to go through the newsletter. It will be it will be best memory for all of us to take it to the future. Last but not the least, I call Muthu Subhatra L from EC department to give vote of thanks.
A very good evening to everyone present here. I quote Martin Luther's words. Occasionally in life, there are those moments of unutterable fulfillment which cannot be completely explained by those symbols called words. Their meaning can only be articulated by the inaudible language of the heart saying thank you. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to everyone gathered here. At first, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Director, Dr. S. Shanmugavel sir, and our respected principal, Dr. K. Kalidasa Murugavel sir, for their encouragement and support to release of newsletter. I would like to thank our Science and Humanities Department for publishing the wonderful and successful newsletter. I express my immeasurable thanking to our Head of Science and Humanities Department, Dr. M. A. Neelakandan sir, for his supports and meritorious efforts to refining our talents. Next, I would like to thank our respected and beloved faculties for their constant and overwhelming support. I would also like to thank our editorial board members for making the wonderful newsletter with their encouragement and guidance. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank my friends for their contribution and involvement that they put in this newsletter. I thank everyone for putting efforts from planning to success of this event. Thank you for your presence and making this event a memorable one. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Muthu Subhatra.